This is the ingredient list for the gluten-free banana chocolate chip muffins. Here I have all the ingredients ready and I'll show them to you one by one. First of all, we have 1 cup almond flour, 1 cup all-purpose gluten-free flour, half cup sugar, 1.5 cup chocolate chips, half cup oil, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 3 eggs, and 4 fully ripe bananas mashed into the paste. And this is the size of bananas which I used. So now we will start our recipe. First of all, I'll crack the eggs into the bowl. Then I'll beat them on medium speed. Then I'll add half cup sugar in it and beat them at high speed for about 2 minutes. It will become nice and fluffy. Then I'll add half cup oil in it and mix it on low speed. Then add the mashed bananas into the batter. The bananas should be so ripe that they can be mashed easily with a fork. More ripe bananas, the more yummy the muffins will be. Then I'll add 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and mix them all together. Then I'll add 1 cup almond flour and mix it on low speed. Now comes 1 cup gluten-free all-purpose flour. And mix it also on low speed. Finally, I will add 1.5 cup chocolate chips and mix it well so the chocolate chips are spread throughout the batter. Now our batter is ready. I have taken a 12 cup muffin tray and put the liners in it. Now I'm going to pour the batter in the liners one by one. One and a half tablespoon will be enough to fill the liner 3/4. Now my muffin tray is ready to go in the oven. Preheat the oven at 350 F Fahrenheit and place the tray in the middle rack of the oven. Bake it for 30 minutes. Take them out of the muffin tray and place them on a wire rack to cool down. Your delicious muffins are ready.
Enjoy!